Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus yen. Well, we're seeing yields move sharply to the upside. The 2-year yield is now up to 5.10%, or up 15.6 basis points. The 10-year yield is up around 10 basis points, or 4.04%. The stock futures are moving lower as well, with the Dow Industrial Average now down minus 284 points in pre-market trading. The S&P is down 38 points, and the Nasdaq is also moving lower. Why? Because ADP came in much stronger than expected, 497,000 versus 228 expected. This is ahead of the U.S. jobs report tomorrow. We're also seeing the U.S. dollar move higher, and that's where I want to get into the dollar versus yen. Taking a look at the hourly chart here, the dollar yen actually moved below the key 200-hour moving average. That's this green line in the chart in the Asian session after finding or breaking below it yesterday and not being able to get very far before rotating back to the upside. We went up toward this topside trend line where we found sellers in the early Asian session and then forced its way back down below the 200-hour moving average, and it looked like it was on its way to the downside because the corrective move to the upside stayed below this area right through here between the 144.12 and 144.22 level and rotated to the downside. But again, that ADP report came in much stronger than expected and forced rates higher and the dollar higher. And as you can see, we are breaking back above the 200-hour moving average currently at the moment, which comes in at 144.25. The 100-hour moving average, which is moving now to the downside, comes in at 144.44. If we move above both those levels, that would increase the bullish bias here for the dollar versus yen. Also, I guess I should add this trend line, since it does have a number of different points along it, and get above that level opens the door to the upside. So the buyers are trying to make a play here. They haven't necessarily fully completed. We're just moved back to the neutral level here in this currency pair, but certainly from earlier levels where it looked like the market was going to continue the corrective move to the downside. The jobs number from ADP certainly threw a monkey wrench into the system. By the way, the initial jobs claims also came in today at 248 versus 245. That's down from about 262. Later at 10 a.m., we also have the ISM non-manufacturing, which has an employment component to it, along with the JOLTS job data. So we'll be watching that data as well. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.